Okay, 6.1. This has to do with sets. We have three sets, A, B, C, and the universal set. We're told that A is the multiples of 3 less than 25, B are the factors of 60 which are smaller than 25, C are the multiples of 2 smaller than 25, and the universal set is the natural numbers smaller than 25. So we can list the elements down. So natural numbers which are less than 25, it'll be 1, 2, 3, and it continues this way up until 24. So remember, I want numbers that are less than 25. So 25 is not in the universal set. Then A, these are multiples of 3, so numbers in the 3 times table which are less than 25. So it's 3, 6, 9, and then it continues this way up until 24, because that is the last one that is less than 25. Then B, these are the factors of 60. So a factor means numbers that divide 60 without leaving a remainder, and these must be less than 25. So I have 1 divides 60, I have 2 divides 60, then I have 3 divides 60, I have 4 which divides 60, there's 5 which divides 60, I have 6 which divides 60, and then there is 10. So now I've reached like the halfway point, if you will, because it's 6 times 10 which gives me 60, then it's 5 times 12 which gives me 60, then it is 15 times 4 which gives me 60, then I have 20 times 3 which gives me 60. Next I would have 30 times 2, but 30 is bigger than 25, so these are the only numbers that I will list, so I don't have to have a comma there. Then C, these are the multiples of 2 which are less than 25, so this would be 2, 4, 6, and then it continues this way up until 24. Okay, so this listing them is not part of the question, it's just for me, it'll make my work easier when I'm listing when I'm answering question 6.1, which is to draw a Venn. Oh, it is actually a question. So 6.1 says to list the elements in the set, which I have done. So that is a question. I didn't read it correctly. 6.2 says to present this in a Venn diagram. So I'll take some more paper over here. So I have to list this in a Venn diagram. So remember, when we're drawing our Venn diagram, we always start with the universal set. So this is U, my universal set, and then the sets that I need, this. Okay, so I'll just label them A, B, and C. Then we label elements in the middle over here. So these are numbers which are factors of 60, multiples of 2, and also multiples of 3, and also multiples of 3, factors of 6, and multiples of 2. But any number that is a multiple of 2 and 3 is also a factor of 60, I believe. Okay, but we can list them. You want numbers that are in all 3 of these sets. So this set over here is obviously smaller, so which set? No, this one here, B, is obviously smaller, so we need to pick the numbers from here that are in both of them. So 1 is not, 2 is in this one but not in that one, so it doesn't go there. 3 is in this one and not in that one. 4 is not, 4 is just in this one. Then we look at 5. No, 6 is here, it's there, and it's also there, so 6 is going to go there. Then I have 10. I know 10 will be a multiple of 2, but it's not a multiple of 3. And I have 12. 12 is also a multiple of 2, and it is a multiple of 3, so I have 12 as well. 15 is a multiple of 3, but it's not a multiple of 2. then 20 is a multiple of 2 but is not there. So the only numbers in this intersection are 6 and 12. So in A and B, I'm looking for numbers that are multiples of 3 and also factors. So I need numbers that are in these two. So I look 1, no, 2, no, 3, yes it is, so I put 3 here. Then I have 4, no, 5, no, 6 is already there, so I don't need to write it again. 10, no, 12, yes, 12 is in the set. I haven't listed it, but it is, and it is already included there. 15, yes, is a multiple of 3, and it's not in the intersection already, so I put 15 over there. Then I look at elements in B and C. So I have B and C. I have 2 there. It's not in the intersection, so I put 2. Then I look at 4, yes. Then 6, yes. Then here I look at 10. Yes, 10 is there. So I need a bigger Venn diagram. 10, 12, yes, but it's already listed there. And then I have 20. There it is. Okay, maybe I should draw a bigger Venn diagram that is clearer to see. Okay, so here I have A, B, U, and C. So here we said we have 3 and 15. Here we have 6 and 12. Here we said we have 2, 4, 6, 10, and 20. Okay, then here this is elements in A and in C. So we can look at this one, 3, because it's a smaller set. 3, no. 6, yes, but it's already there. 6, 9, no. 12, yes, but 12 is there. After 12 we have 15, no. 18, yes, 18 is in both of them, so I write 18 over there. And then what do I have? 18, 21 is here but not there, and then the last one is 24. Okay, so here I'm just listing or writing down the elements the same way we've always been doing it. I always start in the middle, then these intersections, and then move outwards. So I look at A. A, we say these are the multiples of 3. So let me count them. I have 3, 6, 9 is not there, so I look 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 is not listed there, and then 24. Then I'm done. Okay, and then what do we have next? We have B. B, these are the factors of 60. So 1 is the one that is not listed, then 2, 3, 4, 5 is not listed, 6, there it is, 10, 12, 15, 20. Okay, so I'm looking at inside this circle. Are all these numbers represented? And now they are. Now look at C. These are the multiples of 2. So I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Weighs 14. It's not there, so I write there 14. Weighs 16. It's not there, so I write 16. Weight is 18. 18 is here. Weighs 20. There it is. Weighs 22. It's not listed there. And then 24 is the last one. So now I've represented the list in a Venn diagram.